I have a little one home from school, so we're dealing with the cough, not the COVID.
Order submitted.
I'm sending out the YouTube link now for anyone that wants to join on YouTube. We are in, ES is in a short. You know what I'm going to have to do? I'm going to have to fix this because I want to be able to see that one today. All right. I think the link is posted everywhere. Is this correct? Yes. Good morning, good morning, good morning. If you're new here, my name is Lauren. I go live every day. I'm going to put Santa on as well. Ooh, look at this move, you guys. This is the move that we talked about on the call this morning with my students, which I had to have earlier than normal just because things were kind of all over the place. But if you're new here, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. Let me just load up Santa on Scalper. It hasn't started trading yet, so I'm okay. ES is in a short, oil is in a long, and gold is in a short. Yay, someone looks like they know what they're doing. Yay. Yay. All right, but I'm also kind of all over the place because we're super busy. So this was an area we talked about during the student call this morning. So if you've taken my mentorship or my one-on-one coaching, then you are aware of the information that's given out in the morning. So the play here was to take the breakout because this was a really, really tight area of consolidation on your body. Did they ever second one? You literally said on my body. Yeah, and then he created a second video. He blew his account because he had no idea what he was doing, and he got FOMO, and he was frustrated. So, and he didn't tell me he was increasing his sizing. He literally had a $2,500 account. No, a $1,500 account. And he took 3 contracts of the RTY, which literally cost $1,500. So as soon as his trade went red, NinjaTrader took him out of the trade. So yeah, don't believe everything you see on the internet because people love to act like things are not their fault. Nobody likes to take responsibility. Whereas I am very open to taking responsibility quite often. That we have losing trades. There are losing days. I think we had a red week in January, maybe the first red week. But yeah, I don't trade stocks again. I just trade futures. Where is Addison? I'm on TikTok if you're free. So yeah. I signed up to Apex last night. Gonna sign up to yours when I finish work tonight. Okay, Christopher, sounds good. Yeah, remember, today is the last day for Apex. So the Apex is a prop firm, which gives you a fully funded account. Yep, sure thing. So, but like, of course, he's not going to mention that. He didn't really say anything bad about my service. He just had a whole bunch of FOMO. It was Daniel Inskeep. So yeah, he used the algorithm for 2 months. And he wasn't successful because the first month he didn't listen to setting things up properly. And then the second month he just went all out YOLO, FOMO, and blew his account. Like, you can't expect to be making thousands of dollars a day if you have a $2,000 account. It's just not realistic. But can you expect to make maybe $100 a day, $200 a day? Absolutely. And $100 a day is then going to equate to $2,000 a month in your trading account. And then after you pay fees and commissions and my subscription, you'll still easily be left with, say, $800 to $1,000 a month in profit, which is amazing. Like, for pushing one button. Hi, Carter. Hi, Jen. Thanks for sharing the live stream, Jen. If you guys appreciate the info, please hit that like button or tap the screen. Just go tap, tap, tap. So this was the area that we talked about on the student call this morning. And if we pulled back, I was going to take the long, or if we broke out, I was going to take the long. Clearly, the breakout happened. We're not putting GoFundMe's in the chat. What is this? I'm going to pin that, Carter. Thank you for putting it up there. Until they extend the sale again. Yeah. Well, they're not. No, they said straight up, George, they are not extending this sale. Like 100%, Apex said today is the final day. Now, will they have sales in the future? I'm sure, but we don't know when that's going to be. Like, maybe it's going to be after Easter, or maybe it's going to be in May for spring. I don't know. It's actually not unrealistic, Johanna Fofana, but cool story, bro. And again, that was a number on average. So that doesn't mean that one day you might lose $100 and another day you might win $200. The word was on average. And it's actually very realistic because my algorithm is 95.5% over the last 15 months on the NASDAQ, and it's 84% profitable the last 15 months on the S&P 500. And then oil is right up there somewhere too. I think it's like 87% or something. Thanks, Jen. So anyway, let's pick up where we were yesterday. So yesterday we were talking about, and let's talk about the LIS trades overnight. So this one was overnight. This made $1,450 with 3 minis. So obviously it has a larger sizing. If you did 3 micros overnight, you would have made $150. So again, back to that average of $100 a day is very realistic. Also RTY, so that was NQ. RTY hit LIS here, and that made 3. Yeah, go get it in the family room. 2, I cannot get it right now. The this on RTY made $245 overnight on the LIS. And where's YM? And this is YM. YM took this trade last night, and that also made $360. Okay, then I'll close the door. Yeah, so if you want more information or you want to use the algorithm, just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. Sorry, I have a little one homesick today, so I'm going to have a few distractions that I typically don't normally have. But yes, so off of just the 3 basic conservative LISs, we made $880 last night with those. If you ran this other one that I'm testing that has 3 minis, then that made, are we in a scalper trade? Then those made, it's like one setup, made like almost $1,500, but it has 3 minis. So the minimum to start is at least $2,000 to $3,000. Most people start with anywhere from $5,000 to $10,000. Also, if you don't have cash, you can use a funded account. So Apex is currently doing a sale that ends today. ApexTraderFunding.com. I can pull it up and show you guys. Just give me 1 second. I just need to shut this door really quickly. Unplug the other one if you need to. Okay, sorry. Okay, that's fine. All right, sorry, I'm back. So again, I have a little one homesick today, so I just had to help with something. So Apex Trader Funding, again, they said they are not extending the sale because they had extended it for an extra week, but they're not extending this sale. It's 80% off, so you can get a $50,000 funded account for $36. It's, again, only today until, what's 14 hours from now? So I guess midnight. If you go to sign up, then it will take you down to the options. Make sure if you're planning to use my algorithm that you do the top option, which is Rhythmic and NinjaTrader, because my algorithm only works in NinjaTrader. Most people are doing the $50,000 plan, which is $36. So the 80% off applies to any account that you choose, but I always just focus on the $50,000 because it's very easy to pass. You have to profit $3,000. Again, my one strategy last night made $1,500. The other ones made $880. And when you have a $50,000 account, you can clearly trade minis over micros. Thank you, Jen. I'm going to pin that. So again, it says $167, but it's actually $36 when you put the coupon code, which is SAVE80. Now, again, you don't have to use, we're in a short of YM and Santa. So I'm going to pull this out front. You don't have to use Apex. I think a lot of people just find it to be less risk, and it's just an easy way to start using things. Hey, Andres, I'm going to reply to your email later. Please give a thumbs up in YouTube. There's only 8 thumbs ups, and there's 50 of you in there. So please rotate your phone up and down and give a thumbs up Would the bot help us with the challenges? Yeah, so the bot can pass the evaluation and it can run while you're in a funded live account, correct? So yes, it would work. YM's in the short. It's kind of slow and boring. We'll see what happens. So this one is Scalper. Again, they're all mine. I'm a vendor with NinjaTrader, so there's no way that you can get access to these without actually contacting me, going to my website, utilizing the discount link in my email that I send you. So if you want more information, just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. My admin will send you an informational email, and then from there you can see the steps within the email, what you need to do to get all set up. And that will also include the discounted link. So if you're new to the group, you can join for $500 for the first 21 days. Oh, this freaking thing came out of my chair. You know what I always do? I always lift my, I always use my desk chair as like an arm bar, and I literally hang on it. Anyway, regardless. So yeah, so everything's in that informational email that you need. If you have questions about Apex, you can email me. My admin will respond to you about that as well. So the lifetime price for what? For the bot? We can discuss that over email. I haven't had anyone buy the lifetime, but I do have a yearly subscription where you get 2 free months. So the yearly subscription is $10,000 and you get 2 free months. YM took a small loss there for $60. It was trying to take that short. Turned around. So our next target here on NQ, let's look in the student corner to see what I wrote at 8:45. 12,937. This is our ultimate target, and I posted this in my group at 8:39 a.m. The breakout, and then the target of 12,937. If you're not sure how funded accounts works, you can always go Google, you can go on YouTube and watch videos about them, or you can go to Apex's website itself, and they have a lot of information. It's essentially just you have to prove that you're a somewhat good trader, and if you can prove that, then you pass the evaluation, and then you get a fully funded account. And then after that, you just have a level you can't, if it's $50,000, it's 50,100 that you can't let your account go back to, essentially. Does that make sense? YM's in a long here. Santa and Q Santa is not. But YM is. Take a sip of my tea. If you guys have questions, please put them in the chat. It's much easier to kind of connect with you guys that way, figure out what's going on. NQ is still 550 overnight on the zones. Gold had a hard night on the zones. LIS. ES zones is in a short right now, but it's red $175. Hi, Panda Man. Hi, thanks. But yeah, so this one is the one that made 1,500 overnight that's being tested. This is the one, yes, that's in a short that's red, so it will probably exit here. What I need to do is change that. ES might actually know what's going on here. Now it's green. Was there a report? Hold on, let me move this out of the way because I'm going to put it on the chart trader so you guys can see it because the zones are kind of one of my favorites. And I was talking about them a lot last night. So ES was just red $175 in this short, but now clearly it's green. Now it's just bouncing around. What time is it? It's 9:46. And you switch from forex to futures. Yeah, the only difference between forex and futures, honestly, is just the way that the orders are submitted in the fact of the slippage. So on forex, I feel like there's a large gap on the products because they make their money off of your entry and then where it was filled. So that's kind of the way that they make money. So I feel like they're going to try to make that larger. Whereas on futures, you get filled right around the price that you're trying to enter at, and then you just pay a flat fee every time. So I pay for every trade, this would cost me $5. No, I did not, Ian. That is probably, if somebody is sending you a message on TikTok, it's not me. Someone is impersonating me. Please do not get scammed. I am never going to DM you. I am never going to follow you. Please just remember those things to keep yourself safe. Because what happens is crazy crypto impersonators will come in this live stream and then they will literally just start DMing everybody in the live stream. Like, they're crazy. I don't know why they just don't do their own live streams. Like, they would probably make money. Stop trying to scam people. Like, it's insane. So if anybody says anything about a Telegram or a wallet, it's not me. Please remember that. And I will never follow you, and I will never DM you on TikTok or on Instagram. Just say no, just like we learned in elementary school. What was that? Remember, what was that? Say no to drugs. Remember growing up and just say no. All right. NQ. Overnight it was a little choppy, but I still say the same. But last night we could have just stayed in that same area. I'm gonna pin this again, Jen. Thanks for all the likes. Again, so Apex ends today. Tonight, we're almost at our ultimate target. Where are my students at? Who got this move? Ultimate target of 12,937. Mike is typing. He must have gotten it. I'm gonna pin that again. What's the half eye covered for? The Santa's scalper's not really doing anything today. Did you get it hooked up? Is it charging? Oh, that's so cool. That's a new area?
Yeah, I gotta make the green hair get Mommy Long Legs to me ready.
Oh no, Mommy Long Legs. Oh no. Nice job. Mo got it, $600. Got it, scared now to finish half the move. What is it called? All right. How do you get the profit loss on your entry rather than tick counter? What? Oh, you just have to click the box. You just click the box on the side. There's where you're like on the chart trader on the right, or you could also do a default. There's like a chart trader default under properties, and you can do automatic on currency instead of like a tick value. All right, nothing really happening right now. Thanks, Jen. If you guys have any questions, put them in the chat. Dare to say no. There you go. And then, but what did DARE stand for? Oh, drugs against something, something? Nancy Reagan and the war on drugs. Just say no. Listen, we need that again, okay? The Apex code is SAVE80. No, music festival, I don't look at stocks. Sorry. But because it had, like, each letter had a dot, so it was clearly an acronym or whatever. I remember the mad one was Mothers Against Drunk Drivers, but what was DARE? Like, what did that stand for? Drugs are really bad. Nice. Jeanette made $1,320 manually trading from the information given on the student call this morning. Awesome job, Jeanette. Oh, look, ES is back in the green on this zones on. Oh no, it had a loss on the short and now it's in a long. Is futures a zero-sum game? I don't really know what that means. I know I've heard it before. Don't know what that means. If you lose on Apex, nothing happens. Your account just gets shut down and you lost $36. That's why the risk to reward is so great with Apex, because you're literally risking $36 for a chance to have a fully funded $50,000 account. The algorithm is $500 for the first 3 weeks as a paid trial, and then it's $1,000 every month after that. How do you say today going? Today's fine. We made $880 overnight with the LIS setups that my members have access to. And then this one is an LIS that has not been released yet, and it made $1,490 last night. And then zones, ES is trying to make something happen here. NQ zones overnight is green, $555. So things are going well. Drug abuse resistance education. Oh, look, all of you knew this. Very good. Did all of you Google that? Very good. Drug abuse resistance education. Does it include training on how to use the bot? Yeah. So if you join the group, you are given access to, I have 2 admins. One will get you set up initially, and then the other one makes sure everything looks good and is kind of like the constant contact for questions. Oh, very cool, Cabana. Yeah, it's so weird. Sometimes NinjaTrader will approve people in, no joke, like 5 minutes, and then in other cases, they need a whole bunch more information, and then they approve you, say, like 2 or 3 days later. Nice. Very cool. All right, so ES isn't that long. It's having trouble. Santas aren't in anything. Did I even post? I can't even remember what I posted last night, honestly. Did I put scalpers? Because that's a no. What was I doing last night? Oh, I had a student session, but I'm like, why do I not remember this? Also, where is, well, oh no, I guess that was the other day. Nice, Darren. So this is what it looks like when you have a Apex account. A bunch of people have a bunch of Apex accounts. So like Darren, I'm done with one trade since I hit my daily target. Digital mentorship is the key. Now to spend the rest of the day in the sun. Have a great day, team. So this is Apex, and what he's able to do is use a copy trader to take his trades from one like setup, and then it puts it on all of his accounts. Does that make sense? Thanks, Jen. I put that out there. Kyle passed another Apex account last night, $50,000. Congrats to him. And this other Kyle made $460 this morning off of the mentorship. Look at this, 9:15 a.m. before the market even opened. Where is Andy? Good morning, good morning, good morning. Oh, ES, let's see. Oil is in a long. So I know a lot of times I'm not able to show range, but this is it because typically it doesn't trade. Oil had a loss for $300 and now it's in this long. It's been trying to produce this long for a while. But that's the only thing we're in right now. Yeah, so you can't try it for free, but if you want to try it, just email me to get more information, boldbotllc@gmail.com. Jeanette just posted her results. She made $1,320. Took 4 trades on the NQ move given in the student call on evaluation Apex account. Very nice. Very nice, Jeanette. Proud of you. Oops. I'll give her some emojis and then... Oh, Santa's in a short. What time is it? 9:57. We'll see what happens with Santa here. I'm going to pull this in the front so you guys can see it. Dun, dun, dun. My throat kind of hurts. Alright, so that stopped. Where's the sun? I'm going to put like little sunglasses. Alright, cool. Today's kind of slow. Yesterday was, there was a lot more going on. YM is in a short. Today, not so much. Today is kind of slow. I'm going to bring up these spreadsheets. So, Bubby, okay? We're in the short on YM. We should get some nice drops soon because we already had a huge move up. Like, this was pretty big, so it wouldn't be weird to have a pullback here. All right. CL zones, I don't think had any trades. No trades overnight. What is the value? What was it like? 8. Well, now it might be like 9. We might need to have another one, Jen, that goes from... That's just like 9 to 4. Hi, how are you? Yeah, the market can't figure out what it wants to do here. I just have to give it some time. So, oh, look at that little pop-up. Well, we haven't gotten to my ultimate target, which is 37. We went to 27. The ES long is playing out a little more. Yeah, so Jen, maybe we should make another row under your ES and just do the 9 to 4. Maybe I'll run that data tonight. We'll see. Less weirdos today, though. So true. So true. All right, it's 10 o'clock. If things don't get any more entertaining, I'm probably just going to go hang out with my little sick buddy and get off of here a little early today. Remember, tomorrow I have a foot appointment at 10:30, so I'll be on at the regular time. Maybe I'll try to get on a little earlier tomorrow, maybe like 9:20. But I have a foot doctor appointment at 10:30 tomorrow, and then I have a hair appointment, and then I have a call at 3 o'clock, and then I have a student session at 4 o'clock. Tomorrow is very busy. Very, very busy. Nice job, Mo. Very cool. Oh, oil's green $90 and ES is green 50, 25. You okay, bud? That, like, horse cough is no joke. I said a good thing. I feel my way. Stupid Canadian. Just make 300 this long after the pullback. Nice job, Bess. Is training chart rooms easy for us newbies to understand? Yes, it's very easy. I try to make things like as straightforward as possible, very clean and organized. And again, you have access to 2 admins and myself when you're in the group. So, Christopher, when you sign up tonight, you'll see how easy everything is kind of laid out for you. I'm not sure where Todd's at. I have to reply to Andres today. I'm going to do that right after this call. Let's see how this ES plays out. Yep, it's $500 for the first 3 weeks as a paid trial. If you're a new member, if you've been in the group before and you're coming back, you have to pay full price. And that's in the email that I send you. The discounted link is only in the email. It's not on my website. So if you want the discounted link, you just have to email me at boldbotllc@gmail.com for that information. Why is this? Oh, this actually looks very organized, Andres. I love it. So ES is still in this long. Trying to figure things out. Scalpers are kind of shitting the bed, but they've been doing that all week, so nothing new here. Which is why I was talking to someone last night. I was like, yeah, no. All right, green, $62 on this long. Again, this is with 1 contract. It says 1 right here. This strategy, the one that you're looking at right now for ES, was green $137 yesterday, and it was green $1,000 on Monday. Kind of had a rough night. We're going to make, Jen, I'm going to put 9 to 4 here. Or whatever, and maybe we can just break those out just so we can see the data that way, because I think it'll be easier. Yeah, so if you, we're getting a nice push here on ES. Oh, did NQ hit my ultimate target yet? Oh, look at this. We're almost at my ultimate target. We're 4 points from the ultimate target. Can you sign up for Apex before coming on board with you? Yes, absolutely. So you should be going to the Apex website today because the sale ends today. So like right now you could go to Apex and click on sign up and you pay $36 for a $50,000 account. Apex Trader Funding. And then after you do that, you can sign up for my bot whenever you're ready. But most people sign up pretty quickly after because they're going to use the bot to pass the evaluation and then to use the bot while they have a funded account. There was another question I was answering now. Oh, so if you want to use cash, a typical bankroll would be at least $2,000 to $3,000. Most people start with $5,000 to $10,000. I am going 22. Okay. But yeah, the sale ends tonight, so there's 13 hours left in the sale. That would be 11 p.m. Oh no, it's midnight. The sale's on until midnight. So midnight Eastern Standard Time on Wednesday, March 29th. So Apex is a fully funded program. It's a prop firm, if you've ever heard of that. What? In a minute.
Okay.
In a minute, thanks.
Because Mom Long Live. That's right.
What?
I deleted it.
Why'd you delete it?
I downloaded.
Why would you delete it? That's literally like one of your favorite games. Why'd you delete it?
I downloaded it again. Now I'm on the same part.
Okay. Well, maybe it saves it.
I just want the phone so we can see how we...
No, I'm typing. Sorry. I was typing over here in the group. All right, bud. Give me a few minutes, okay?
How much?
Like 2 minutes.
59, 58.
No. Don't do that because your throat hurts. Go lay down. All right, green. So we're in a short here. This is Santa, and it's green, $200. If you want more information, just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. Somebody thought my typing was fake. No, I type 85 words per minute. Yeah. He already had cough syrup. And we already did a nebulizer treatment, so... Started yesterday. Yay! Game veteran. Gotta love the little ones, I know, right? Still in this short. It came really close to getting tagged here. $200 on this short. Guaranteed green. This is Scalper. Jen, I'm gonna pin that. Remember, if anybody DMs you or follows you from this stream, it's not me. Please block them and report them because they're trying to impersonate me, and that's not cool. That is not cool. All right. Cleaning this up. Oh, Bubs. Bubs. I think this one was actually here. Like, I think this was more like, maybe like, oops, minus 400. I don't know. I'm going to have to look into this, Jen. I think this one I need to look at a little more. All right. So we'll see what happens in this trade, and then I'm going to jump off of here. So you can choose whatever Apex account you want. Most people in my group do the $50,000 account because it's pretty straightforward. You only have to profit $3,000. Yes, I lease it. So there's several bots. The company is called BoldBot, but there's several bots. And they each have different names. Oh, you put a timer on. You put a timer on? For 2 minutes? Okay. Alright, I'm gonna get off of here. I'll be back tomorrow. I'm gonna try to get on a few minutes early, so maybe like 9:20, 9:25, because I do have to leave the house at 10:15 to get to my doctor's appointment. Yeah, that's why the 50K is really nice. That $2,500 is a nice amount for the drawdown. The bot is $500 for the first 3 weeks as a paid trial, 21 days. And then it's $1,000 every month after that. He's the best 2 minute, no joke. Right. Seriously, he set an alarm on the iPad. Like, what? All right. This trade is really nice. All right, we're just waiting for this trade to end. Chill, bro. Chill, bro.
No, you said 2 minutes to give me the phone.
Ignore my baby voices. All right, I'm going to get off of here. I will see you guys tomorrow morning. And hold on, let me exit that off, please. Do not put your hands on it. And I'll see you guys then. That just took profit. Cool. No, it's a clicky keyboard. Bye. Email me if you have questions. Bye.